In this video, we are going to learn on how to input data in Microsoft Excel and do some basic formattings on the same. In Excel, we have columns and rows. Columns are usually labeled using alphabets, while rows are identified by Arabic numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. In the first row is where we are going to type our table titles, that is customers, items bought, price, and quantity bought. From the second row, we shall input our data in correspondence with our table titles. Which are linear distributors. Marquee distributors. Top hill distributors. Karigi distributors. Loni distributors. Marquee distributors. Top hill distributors. And you will also include a 10% discount which was given to each customer. You have to ensure that your column size are adjusted according to your data size. For items bought, we have tunic for linear distributors, stockings for marquee distributors, pullover for top hill distributors, tie for Karigi distributors, shirt for both Loni and marquee distributors, and tie for top hill distributors, and a 10% discount. Then, prices for each item were as follows: tunic 600, stockings 300, pullover 1000, tie 150, shirt for both Loni and marquee at 500, and top hill distributors tie were at 150. Quantity bought for each item was tunic 1000 pieces, stockings 1500, pullover 7000, tie 3000, shirt for Loni 2000, shirt for marquee 1500, and 400 ties for top hill distributors. Now let's format our data. Highlight your work to change font type and font size. For font type, let's use Times New Roman and font size of 12. Then you also insert borders. Ensure you select all borders option. You highlight your work and copy to sheet 2. So that you can do further formattings from there, hence protecting your original work in sheet 1. You will create column titles in cell E1 and F1 as total cost and new total cost. To calculate the totals before the discount and after discount, respectively. Highlight all the cells containing numbers so that you set them using 1000 separator with 0 number of decimal places. Now, let's input the formula for calculating total cost for each item bought by distributors in cell E2. Type =, open the brackets, then write cell C2, asterisk sign cell D2, then close the brackets and enter. So, instead of typing the same formula for the preceding cells, you can point at the right bottom corner of cell E2 until you see a black plus sign. Drag it down to the last cell of your calculation. Now, let's calculate the new total cost after the 10% discount. In cell F2, type =, open the brackets, then write cell E2, asterisk sign. 10% is the same as 10 out of 100. So, you type in 10 out of 100, then you close the brackets, then press enter. So, instead of typing the same formula for the preceding cells, you can point at the right bottom corner of cell F2 until you see a right bottom corner, a black plus sign. Drag it down to the last cell of your calculation. Now, we can change names of our sheet and also the tab colors. So, we are going to rename sheet 3 to chart and then sheet 2 to modified. Highlight the first row and go to Data tab on the toolbar and select Filter so that you are able to filter only Karigi distributors and top yield distributors with a specific item bought being tie. From this information, we are able to create a column chart in comparison of the two distributors with the quantity of tie bought by each of them. To insert a column chart, you have to select column A, customers, items bought and quantity bought. Then you go to Insert tab, click on Columns, then you can click on 2D column chart unless you are asked to use a 3D column chart. Under Chart Tools, go to the Layout to set chart title above the chart. Then type your chart title. Go to Legend and select where you need your legend to be aligned. Go to Data Tables and select Show Data Table with Legend keys. Right-click on the chart and cut it to paste in the new sheet called Chart. To save your work, go to File, then Save As. Then select where you want to save your work. In our case, we'll save on desktop with file name as Excel for Beginners, then click Save. Then, if you need to print your work after formatting, you have to ensure that you are on the right sheet of the work you need to print. Then go to File, Print, then select the type of printer. You can change paper orientation either as portrait or landscape. You can also change your paper size to either letter or A4 size. Then you click the Print button. Thank you for watching.